Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I just made the cutest box stickers and I wanted to show you all how I made them. So the first thing you want to do is go to create a design and you pick the size that you want your design to be. So I will say I'm going to change this to inches and just do 3, 5, 3. I think that'll be okay. Hit create new design. So the first thing I want to do, or the next thing I want to do, I want to go to elements and grab a box. Now, and I'm going to come up here to border style. I'm going to do a solid border, take it up to about 7. You can take it up to whatever thickness you want. Then I'm going to change the color to white, and then you just size your box. I'm going to do 1.5. And depending on your planner, you size your box whatever size you want your box to be. I might change that. So I want the width to be, let's see, 1.5, and the height to be 2. All right, so 1.5 by 2. That's my box. So now I'm going to come over here to uploads, and these are some images that I made in Midjourney. So just going to grab one. I'll grab this one. I need to remove the background, and then you just take her and you place her on whatever side of the box you want her to be on. I'll keep her on this side. You can size her up or down, grabbing these little handles. And then, you just place her wherever you want her to go next to the box, right? So I think that's cute. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to download this. Well, I'm going to click and drag and group them. And then I'm going to download this as a PNG with a transparent background. Transparent background, then download. Once it downloads, you then want to upload it back into Canva. Here are all my boxes here. Click this one. And depending on the size, you may have to, shrink this in a little bit. But once you download it as a PNG, it's now a image. It's now a full image, right? So now what I'm going to do, it's a little bigger, just making it bigger so you can see. So now all I'm going to do, I'm going to go to edit, shadows, outline, and you see it could put an outline around the whole box there. Change the color to white. And I got some cute little boxes. So I am going to, let me show you my page here again. Right, and then once you add the shadow and change the color of your shadow to whatever you want it, you can go ahead and fit as many as you want on a page. I use a Cricut, so I always size for Cricut Design Space, which is 6.75 by 9.25. I think Cricut has changed their cutting area, but I have not tried it, so I don't want to give you all the wrong information. So yeah, so now these are just different little dolls that I created in Midjourney, and now I have a sheet full of boxes. So what I'll do now is I'll just take this, do share, download, PNG, transparent background, and I'm going to do page 2 and hit download. And then I can upload this into Cricut Design Space, and Cricut will cut around each of my images. All right, I'm in Cricut Design Space now. I have some images here that I want to cut out. So I'm just going to add that image to this page of images so I can cut everything at once. So I'm just going to go upload, upload image, browse. You can drag and drop. Click my image, hit open, continue. This is where you would remove the background if you didn't have transparent background. A way to remove the background in Canva. You could just click and it will remove the background for you. Hit apply and continue. It is a flat graphic. Continue. They've added a lot more steps here. I should really start to name my images. It'll make them easier for me to find. I hit upload. And it always comes in bigger, so I always have to change the size. So here it is. I just hit my little lock here. 6.75 by 9.25. And then I'll just, the Cricut will cut around these images, and then I can use them in my planner. So that's a cute little idea. If you don't like this white border here, you can always trim that off. But I didn't think I could just upload it just like this because I think Cricut would try to cut all these little intricate details here. So that's why I put a shadow around it. So yeah, I got me a set of cute little, I call them Diva boxes. Right. If you have any questions for me, place them in the comments. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.